We need paramedics at the front now. All units, secure the perimeter. Keep civilians back.
Red fire engines and rescue vehicles June the convoy.
To the area, we're lifting the container now.
Steady, hold it right there.
We've got the driver. Moving him to the ambulance.
Incident command, we need the fire suppressed before we can extract.
Understood. Engine 4 is deploying water cannons now.
Thanks to the hard work of police officers and police personnel, the chaos in the city gradually subsides, and regular traffic resumes.